Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already. Today we're gonna learn how to reply to a message in Instagram. First of all, go to your Instagram application and go to the chat you want to reply to. Here I've received a message saying, "Hey, how are you?" It's a two different messages, so I'm gonna reply to them both individually. For that, you just have to slide the message towards right. Then you can see the message you are trying to reply above the input field of your message. That is how you can know which message you are replying to. Not only to the message you received, but you can also reply to your own message. To reply to your own message, you just have to slide your message towards left, and whatever you replied to, it's gonna show you replied to yourself and the message you replied to, and then the message you send. So that is how you can reply to a particular message. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if the video helped you.